Are you a business owner who would like to improve your business performance, increase sales, have better systemized processes in place, increase your profits? I'm inviting you to join our fortnightly group masterminding meetings where we entrepreneurs are meeting and holding each other accountable. We analyze our previous week's successes and failures, and we plan the future weeks and future months so we can see the vision ahead. We support each other, we give each other advices, and we collaborate. Beside of you getting the access to this fortnightly group masterminding meeting, you also get the access to the curriculum for your business growth. It's set up from 8 steps that teach you how to put better business foundation in place so your business can prosper. You will fill in the worksheet tasks and create an A4 vision for your business. You will also get access to our private Facebook group and our WhatsApp text group, so you can get support also there. I'm inviting you to step in contact with me or to activate your program now. See you on the other side.